Barbie Fortes update. Yan ay the story ni Barbie. Ay may taping si Barbie sa bago niyang project at nalagay pa nga sa caption. Taping essentials, check. Work bag, check. Coffee, check. And good luck sa taping. At sa post ni Direct Mark Reyes, sabi niya, guess who? It's been years since I got to work with her again. Siyempre, walang iba kundi si Barbie. Dahil nilike na nga ni Barbie yung post ni Direct Mark. Ayan ang hot sis, nakatype pa nga si Barbie ng ang grabe puti ni Barbie, syempre si Barbie yan. And good luck day 1.
And what kind of life would make you want to
Ito,
follow
interview kay
you?
Barbie.
Siguro yung someone that would make me feel like a kid again. Kasi ngayon na medyo trentahin na po tayo at marami ng responsibilidad.
Adulting.
Yeah, so na parang I always have to be this strong, independent woman. So yun, yung someone that could make me feel like a kid again, na parang I could really,
Be childlike.
yes, put my walls down, ganyan, that I could feel safe with him.
Diyan na yan. Ang maraming nakapila.
Yan, marami daw nakapila kay Barbie. So, during hearing, yan siya ni Barbie. Yan, smiling face. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.